Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer data with Constant Contact, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your customer data with Constant Contact, start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the account settings in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select the Security tab from the drop-down menu. Here, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. This requires a verification code sent to your mobile device each time you log in. Next, review and manage user access. If you have team members, assign roles based on their access needs. Limit permissions to ensure only necessary team members can view sensitive data. This helps reduce the risk of data breaches and ensures compliance with regulations. Next, utilize the contact segmentation feature. Segment your audience based on various criteria to send tailored communications. This not only boosts engagement but also allows you to manage personal data more effectively. Ensure you are compliant with data protection regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Familiarize yourself with the requirements, such as obtaining explicit consent for data collection. Constant Contact provides tools to help you manage consent and preferences. Equip your forms with a clear privacy policy link, informing customers about their data usage. Regularly update your privacy policy to reflect any changes in data handling practices. In the dashboard, check the reporting features to monitor email engagement. This helps you catch any unauthorized access or unusual activities early. Stay informed about Constant Contact's security updates and best practices. Implement these updates promptly to ensure your data remains secure. Finally, conduct periodic audits of your data management practices. Evaluate how customer data is stored, accessed, and shared within your organization. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your customer data with Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.